What? Huh? Oh, hi guys. It's Rachel with Rachel's Remedies, and today I'm going to be talking about gum. This is my gum bag. Just my gum bag. Everyone in the family has a gum bag, and these are for the cars. So we have 3 car gum bags, and then, because there's 3 cars, and then we have his backpack, and then we get 1,000 packs of gum every 6 months. I hope that's how often. It's too much gum. I'm gonna talk about gum and keto today. It's 2 things, gum and keto, and then gum and kids, okay? So the reason we do so much gum is it's actually insurance for us. We have 5 kids and we don't want cavities. They're not gonna be brushed that well. I start handing out the gum to everyone, especially if we stopped at like Buc-ee's and got some beef jerky and like fruit or something. So the history on that is there's a pilot friend of ours who flies, and he chews, that gum is from Epic Dental, and I'll put their link down below. He chews gum every time he flies, or he did for this 1 6-month period, and when he went to get his teeth cleaned, the dentist gave him an A+. The dentist is like, I don't know what you've been doing, but your teeth, and the kids were young. I had like a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 4-year-old. And I thought, that's what I'm gonna do. Because I'd just been wondering, like, I don't brush our teeth perfectly. I keep having children. That's when we started the gum habit. And ever since then, we've everyone's kind of calmed down on chewing gum. It open, like zipped open like this. And if I'm driving, a multitude of reasons why I would chew gum. I just reach in my gum bag and I grab not 1, but 2 pieces at a time and chew them. Well, Megan is my daughter, and she got onto keto a couple years ago, and she looked up the calories, and she said, did you know that that gum has 40 calories a piece? So every time you grab 2 pieces, you're getting 80 calories. And I'm like, who cares? And so kept chewing the gum. Well, I kind of run into plateaus, like I'll lose weight or I'll gain weight. I've been cheating or whatever, and then I plateau. And even though I'm intermittent fasting, I'm not really losing. 2 weeks now. And the gum habit. So I start reaching in my bag, and I thought, I wonder if this is why I cheat. And I just saw it. I saw myself eating the gum, and then like 45 minutes later being like really hungry. And especially if I'm having to drive a lot or go to the office, like I have nuts and snacks, which nuts and snacks are really, you're not going to lose weight if you're nutting and snacking. So I have those in the car. Of course, our keto snacks, but snacking in general kind of ruins your keto vibe. And so, I don't know, something just came over me, and it was like, this starts the snacking cycle for you. Like if you chew gum, it kind of gets you hungry and thinking about food more than you really need to. Like I was fine when I was fasting, but the second I chew gum, something happens to me chemically where I want to snack more and I want to be chewing more things. Like the act of chewing, I am like such an addict. It's like a cigarette smoker. The act of chewing it's weird, but it's like when I chew, I want to chew more. And so I took a week, and I took a week off gum, and I didn't snack the whole week. I didn't care about snacking. I wasn't hungry. And I realized that the gum, for me, in my personal body, the gum actually triggers hunger. It triggers an insulin response. Like I started losing weight pretty quickly. Like the second I stopped chewing, like this chewing the gum, I think it triggers an insulin response. It pops my insulin up, maybe that sweet taste. Now I think twice before I chew gum. The other thing I did was I put a little thing of chapstick, actually a few of them, on top of the gum. So, because it's a habit, it's like smoking. So when I reach down in the bag now, I grab the chapstick and I put on chapstick. And I know that's weird, but we definitely have like cultivated a gum habit. And so I need to call Epic Dental tomorrow and cancel my 1,000 gum auto order. And then I'm really aware. Like if it's the morning and I'm driving, that's what I need to not chew gum. Like this morning I was driving, I feel like chewing gum when I've been fasting, and it's like my breath I know isn't great. But this morning I was like, no way. So I'm not in bondage about it. I still chew gum, but I wanted to let y'all know that I figured that out about my body. It definitely is not keto for me. It really triggers the insulin response and just starts me on that snacking path. Now for your kids and like no cavities, we have 5 children and I think 1 has had some cavities. Yeah, 1 out of the 5, but the rest of them don't. So definitely buy the gum for your kids, but if you're keto, maybe you want to take a break. All right, hope this helps y'all. And any other discoveries I get, I will pass them on. Can't wait to see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.